Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing out some of the Baur tools. And so starting off with this 20-volt drill. We're just going to do 2 bits. So we are going to, well, we're not going to, you know what, here, we'll do the impact with the spade bit. So first, let's go ahead and do some more with the spade bit. Let's try and do like 4 holes with the spade bit here. Sure you guys can see that good. All right. Come on. I just got a little stuck on the wood. It was a weird piece of wood. Let's try it in the first speed, actually. Kind of. All right. Did pretty good. A little bit slow, but there was more torque and it did the job. So far, I am pretty impressed with this drill. I got it on sale for $60 as a whole kit. Alright, let's go ahead and do 2 more. We'll do another in the high RPM, then one in the low RPM. Bit's still staying in there good, it's not loose yet. Alright, now we're going to put it in the high RPM. Came a little bit loose, but not bad. It mainly just comes loose in the high RPM. There we go. Got some wood chips in my shoes. But yeah, so it does do the holes perfectly fine. I did get the 2-year warranty, so I could take it back and get a fresh one if I want. What I would probably do is I'd probably keep it for 2 years, and then right before the warranty goes out, go and get a fresh one. Because that's just like smart. We're just going to do 1 more hole for the heck of it. Yep. We are now down to 2 bars. And then we'll switch over to the impact. We're going to do it in the low setting because it seems to work really well when we do it like that. Don't know if you guys can see that at that weird angle. That works so well. There's a ton of good torque in the low setting. Goes right through. So very impressed with that low speed setting. It just torques right through no matter what. There we go. Went right through. Now, like I said, it does take a little bit of time, but it does get the holes done very nicely. Alright, there's what the holes look like. This is a little bit weird of a board, so it would probably do better like on a new board versus an older board. Because like this one has cracks in it and everything. So you're now at 1.5 bars for this. Drill is still working fine, which is a good thing. Light still turns on when it's supposed to. The drill's just a little bit hot after doing all that. I mean, it's not really, it doesn't like burn your hand, but I mean, it's just hot to the touch. I don't know like if that's because I'm working in the sun here or what, but now what we're going to do is we're going to take off the spade bit. And this is like one of the larger spade bits. There's only like 2 more that are larger than this. So no need to test any of the larger spade bits because, I mean, it took this one just fine. So it'll probably handle the other 2 just fine as well. Right, so now we're going to take our bit out of our Baur impact. This is a hex, so you just pull it up, bit comes out. Secure our bit. Uh-oh. Something happened to our drill. I hope not. Oh, there we go. Got a little worried there for a second. It just slipped a little on this bit. It's fine. Alright, we're still in good shape. Everything is working like it should. Alright, we're going to do these screws in the high and low setting. 3 in the high setting and then 3 in the low. We're going to do these smaller ones here with the drill. Let's actually turn this board around. Right. First one. Alright, so it does screws no problem. Little squeaky. Those are going to be pretty hot, so we'll have to let those sit for a second. But, so the Baur drill, went through those things like nothing. So now we're going to try them in the high setting. Gonna make a new hole, put them back in there with the high setting, see how that does. See like if it's an increase in speed that it gets them in. Yeah, I've been really impressed with this drill because I got this kit on sale for $30. This comes with a Baur tool bag, the 1.5 amp hour battery, and a charger, and it's compatible with all their things. And the charger by itself just costs $30, and then this hammer drill by itself is $50. And then the battery is 25, and the bag's probably like, let's just say the bag is 10. Most tool bags are like that, are about 10. So you really are getting a pretty good deal if you could buy it on sale for $60 instead of $70. So we're actually gonna turn our torque down a lot. We're gonna put it in at actually like about 6. Alright, so now, yeah, those have cooled. Right. Go ahead and put them in the high setting. Oh yeah. What, like 2 seconds? Yeah, that was like 5 seconds for all those, I'm pretty sure, something like that. Yeah, so I did all those just fine. Now for the impact. Let's take this bit off. And we're actually going to do the spade bit on the impact. So let's go ahead and insert this spade bit into here. Oh, my bad. These spade bits, they aren't compatible because they don't have the lock thing on them. So we are just gonna drive in some smaller screws with this. 3 smaller screws and then 3 of the bigger screws, which would be that. Alright, so let's go and get our 3 bigger screws together. Now our 3 smaller screws together. Alright. Both of these tools I got on sale for $60 in separate kits. So I think they've been worth it. They sound good, they feel good. They perform well. Oops, my bad. Had a little wind come and get the camera there. Give me 1 second as I fix it. Whoop. I have to wait for this wind to stop. Sounds really good. This is a 1-speed. I will be getting the brushless 3-speed by Baur. This $50 sometime, like when it's on sale. I don't want to buy it regular price because they run, Harbor Freight runs their stuff on sale all the time. So there we go. Alrighty. So now we are going to turn this board like this, and we're going to try and get some impacts in here. And then kind of secure that. Alright, let's restart that one. Alright, it's kind of annoying with this being only a 1-speed, because it's kind of hard to like get control of what you're trying to put in. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. This screw is extremely hot. Ow. Woo. Man, this wind's getting pretty bad. Alright, gonna do a couple more, 2 more here with this, and then that will just about conclude it with the video. So let's go ahead and let's just do them this way because this way is a lot easier. Whoa. Golly, this one's been strong. Guys, so I hope that you guys are liking this video so far. I want to kind of give you like an idea if you want to go and buy one of these. They're going to be on sale till tomorrow, which is Sunday, March 26th. I'm pretty sure it's the 26th. Yeah, very good. Alright. The drill is not smoking, it's working perfectly fine. I just bought this drill, well, I opened it yesterday, but I bought it the day before. I've probably put a total of about 5 screws total since I opened it, including these. So, we're still running strong. I really like the lights They're on the front. This impact driver, this is a 1/4 inch hex. It has 3 lights versus the Baur drill that only has 1 light. Now what I have noticed is that these 3 lights, they aren't quite as bright as that, which is why I guess they gave them 3. But it's not quite as bright as my drill light, but you know, it's still a pretty good light. For $60, definitely pick this up because this drill is $40 by itself, just as a tool only. The battery is $25, and then the charger is $30, and then the tool bag is $10. So when you add up all that, you end up saving yourself about $20 when you buy it on sale for $60. So you end up saving yourselves about $20. Maybe a little more than $20. I'm not too sure. I haven't really done the math, but last time it was somewhere around $20 that you save. So that's it for the Baur Impact. We're gonna just do a few more holes for fun here with the old hammer drill. I haven't really tested the hammer setting or function yet because I haven't really needed to. That also wears out your drill a little bit faster, like when you use the hammer. So, but yeah, I just haven't really found any use for the hammer yet. And if you want to change speeds, you just twist that. That's like regular drill. Well, this right here, this is like a screwdriver mode. Let's actually see what it does because I kind of forgot. Yeah, that's not for drilling. Yeah, that is not for drilling. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, not for drilling whatsoever. Let's go ahead and lock this bit back on here really tight. Now, one thing to note about this Baur drill, after you do about 8 holes like with this spade bit, the bit does kind of loosen up a little. To me, that's not really that big of an issue because, it's not that hard to tighten it back up. It takes like 5 seconds. But yeah, to me, it's just not really that big of an issue. Maybe to like professionals that want to get the job done really fast, that could be an issue. But for me, that's no issue. I can deal with that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our drill started. Crank it up. Right here, let's just. Come on. Do I need to go higher? Try this in the high. Yeah, this battery's getting a little bit dead. Let's switch this out with the impact battery because this we're only showing 1 bar, so no wonder why there's a lack of power there. Oh yeah, even the impact driver is kind of low, so yeah, it is the battery. I'm actually gonna sit my impact driver down since it's so windy. don't want to make a scratch on it the second day I've been using it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, it was the battery. So now we're gonna put it at 18, and we're gonna see here if we could drill a hole at 18. We should be able to. We might not be able to press down too hard, but it will do it. Come on. Yeah, I think that's just a weird hole. There we go. Holy crap. Got a lot of torque. Alright, so let's go. I think that like we're doing it on a weird side of the board, which is kind of why it's messing up like this. So let's do it on the other side and see if that makes any difference. Yeah, because see, this board is a little weird. Here, let's get this board over here that I've got. Give me 1 second. This one is pretty old too, but it's in a lot better shape for drilling than that other board is. So you can see like where I've already drilled 2 full holes on this board. So let's try and like drain this battery. All right, let's move that right there. And a lot of that torque, you can feel the amount of torque like when it's about to go through the piece of wood. Yeah, that's like an insane amount of torque. Like for the price of this drill. Oop. Yeah, really good. Getting through this no problem. Oh. So the bit, it does tend to loosen up in the very high RPM mode. This is actually a hyper tough bit and it's doing pretty good. I paid $10 and you get a kit of 12, I'm pretty sure. I have been using these bits and they're pretty good for $10. I just need like some cheap spade bits to go with my cheap drill, so if that makes any sense. Alright, drill still sounds really good. Battery's at 2 dots. So yeah. Oop. Yeah, it loosens up sometimes. But not too big of a deal. The tool still works. The motor's still not too hot. Alright. Oops. Yep, our battery's getting a little weak. These drills are also known to get a little bit weak, like after you've drilled like a ton of holes with them. So that could be what's happening. But if that's the case, not a big deal, because we all, you know, most people won't really need to drill this many holes. Like on a project. Blowing the wood chips out of the motor. All right. I say 2 more holes, then we could officially say that this hammer drill is a good buy and the impact is a good buy. Let's let this wind stop. We actually have to take these screws out, so let's just pop out our bit here. Alright, just pop these out really quick. Need to torque this down some. That's 1, 2, 3. Right. So that will pretty much conclude for this video. We're gonna drill one more hole really quick. Oop. Let's torque this all the way up to 21, low speed. See what it has. Come on, give it. Come on, there we go. Yeah, it's getting a little stuck on these pieces of wood. Like the bit, not the drill. The drill, it's got enough power, but it's just got too much power, like, for me to be able to hold it. So let's go and do one more here. And do this in the high RPM. When it's in the high RPM, you don't really have to use that much force, because the drill kind of just does the work for you, because it's spinning so fast. But yeah, so that pretty much concludes the video of the Baur hammer drill driver and the Baur 1/4 inch hex impact driver kit. So let me know what you guys think, and I do recommend going buying one of these when they're on sale. They're a pretty good value, and you could also get the warranty for $14 for 2 years, so that's not too bad at all. I would only get the warranty if you are like actually gonna like be using it a lot and not just using it maybe like 3 to 4 times a year. But we drilled some pretty solid holes. So we got starting from that hole all the way down to here, and then we drilled all those holes, so it does pretty good. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. And we will be putting these drills up against some other brands in the future. So see you guys in the next video.